The IF function in Excel can be used in various conditions, allowing for flexible logical evaluations. Here are some common scenarios. Syntax of if formula is if logical test, value if true, value if false. Now we use it in single condition. As you see, we have data set of some students that have gotten marks. So now we want to divide the student spaces on their high and low marks. Let's begin the if formula for this procedure. Start the formula with an equal sign. Type if, press tab, then in first argument we click on the cell G25, then use the operations of greater than and equal, then write the 300 as it's the based value that will divide students in two categories, high marks holder and low marks holder. Then comma, then write high between inverted commas, comma, now type low between inverted commas and close the bracket. Press enter. We got our result. High, it's the level of first student as he got marks 500, which is greater than 300. Drag the cursor downwards and got all the results of the students. Next scenario is that here we have marks of students in a test, so we use the if formula for grading the students. Let's start the formula with an equal sign. Type if, press tab button, click on the cell G25, as it is the obtained marks in a test of first student. Then use the operation of greater than, then write 80, comma, then type A between inverted commas. Again write if, press the tab button, click on G25, then type greater than, then write 60, comma, type B between inverted commas, then comma, then write C between inverted commas. And now close the brackets because we want to divide marks in 3 grades. Every institute has its own choice in division of grades. So you can change, so press enter, we got the result. First student got C grade. Drag the cursor downward and get the grades of all students. It's so easy and simple. Next scenario is that we have a data of employees. We have decided to give them bonus of 10% on their sales. And sales will be greater or equal than 10,000. We use if formula for bonus calculations. So let's begin it with an equal sign, type if, press tab button, click on G28, where we have sales of employee, use the greater operation and equal, then write 10,000. Comma, then click on G28 and multiply it with 10%, comma, then type 0. Close the bracket and press enter. Here we have a bonus. Drag the cursor downward so that we got the bonuses of all the employees.